Veterans who are black say they were denied housing loans from a major credit union because of their race. A CNN investigation found Navy Federal Credit Union was more than twice as likely to deny black loan applicants than white applicants. The credit union says that doesn't tell the full story, though. News4JAX reporter Ann Maxwell breaks down the allegations Navy Federal is now facing in a federal lawsuit.
Veterans were emotional, speaking at a New York press conference Thursday about their experiences trying to get housing loans from Navy Federal Credit Union.
We found our dream home. We turned to Navy Federal because we trusted them.
Carl Carr says he joined the credit union in 1982, the same year he enlisted in the U.S. Navy.
I joined when I was an inner city kid in Newark, New Jersey. The Navy offered direction and opportunity to kids like me.
He says he and his wife were denied a mortgage loan from Navy Federal in 2021, even though they were ideal applicants, checking all the boxes when it came to income, debt-to-income ratio, and cash in the bank.
Being African American, we knew that we just couldn't be equal. We had to be better. We knew we had to surpass all the criteria.
He says they were excited when they were pre-approved, but then,
just 2 days before closing, we got denied.
In a federal lawsuit, plaintiffs allege they were denied housing loans because of their race. Navy Federal Credit Union serves more than 13 million members, including service members, veterans, and their families. So in a military community like Jacksonville, it's not surprising that they have a big footprint. A CNN analysis of data from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau found Navy Federal approved more than 75% of white borrowers for mortgages in 2022. While approving less than 50% of black borrowers, also finding that black applicants were more than twice as likely to be denied than white applicants, even when more than a dozen factors like income, debt-to-income ratio, and down payment percentage were the same. CNN reported Navy Federal was slightly more likely to approve a white applicant making $62,000 or less than a black applicant making $140,000 or more. A spokesperson from Navy Federal said CNN's analysis was not an accurate reflection of their lending practices because it did not account for other factors like credit score, cash in the bank, and relationship history with the lender. Now, in a federal lawsuit, two plaintiffs say they were denied loans because of their race, citing CNN's findings and their own stories. They are asking the court to allow their claim to become a class action case open to affected minority applicants from 2018 to now. They say there could be thousands of others who face discrimination. Ann Maxwell, Channel 4, the local station.
A spokesperson for Navy Federal sent us a statement, and it says, "We have robust, fair lending programs that perform testing and review policies, procedures, and lending data, which help expand economic opportunity and access to home ownership. While it is Navy Federal's policy not to comment on pending litigation, we look forward to responding to these claims in our forthcoming filings with the court."